Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo! Ay! Nandiyan pala kayo! Sorry pasensya. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Especially to our dear teacher. My name is Janibi Alcramen, and today, I will be presenting you the video demonstration for balance training exercises as part of PATFIT 2. And as part of our PATFIT 2 requirements, today we will be presenting to you the proper do's and don'ts when it comes to balance training exercises. Starting with, let's first discuss the very first basic exercise that you can do as we speak or at home, and that is to be presented to you by our group member Ivan. For the very first exercise, one leg stand.
G, tara! So now, stand straight and raise your left leg for 15 seconds and hold. And now, raise your right leg for 15 seconds. So our second exercise is called heel to walk. So this is how you will do it. First, you will stand straight and raise your arm to shoulder length. Then make sure that the other foot is directly in front of the other foot. So this is how you do it. So that is how you properly execute the exercise. Next exercise is called side exercise. You need to raise your right hand above your shoulder length, then raise your left leg so you can increase the balance. Like this. Then, and another right leg. You need to stand with one foot directly in front of the other toe. Do it for 30 seconds, then switch sides. You can use your arm for greater stability and make sure to engage your core.